Okay, here we are back again. I just want to try and fix the wires. Let me give the phone to Gordon. Maybe he can show you what I'm doing. Already the wires for the idle position, the idle valve, I already put them back. They are in there. Now I must shift these ones back. Bring it closer. You see, if you see in there, I must push them in. They actually went back. So let me just do this thing. Well, I'm gonna get a screwdriver to get in there. Screwdriver to get in there and push the suckers out. Yeah, in there. See, remove the rubber. See, the wires are pushing out. That's what is happening here. You see. Now I just want to push them in there. Can use a little test light to push them in. Careful not to damage them. You see, just push them in and push this other one in. Make sure it's in there. It's not yet in. Just push them in again. Yeah. Push this one in. See, when you push them in, see, just push this one in. There we go. That one is still stubborn. Push this one in. Push this one in. Okay, exactly this is how they sit. Okay, let's leave it like this. And when we're putting it in, we're gonna have to try and force it in there. Okay, now on the injectors I was doing, I'm putting these clips back in. What I did actually is to take off one by one on the injectors, take them out of the rail. Here you can see the rail is loose. I took them out of the rail and cleaned them up. Took out the gunk that was there. So now I'm putting back the clip so that I clip it in on the electronic rail so that it connects and send the power in. So what I do now, I just put it there. It's not an easy game, so be patient with me. You see, it's not that easy. See, put it in there. Yeah, it's in this one. Here we go, we're in. We won there. Let's put the other one. No, that's the first one. So the second. Where's the other one? Now, where did we put the other one? We hit the other one right there. But now, I think we are going to run short of one. I don't know where it is, but it's fine. Let's put these ones in. See, if you can't get there, you could use this test light. There we go. Hope this helps a lot of you guys out there with E36 BMW. Let me check the other one. Where is it? Number 2. Okay, it's here. So yeah, we're good to go. Let's continue. Let's put this other one here. Trust me, you don't want to lose this little suckers, because if it doesn't get to clip on there, you're in trouble, really in trouble. You see, to just get these clips is not easy, because it'll keep on popping out and your car will misfire. But hey, it's just a bit of this and that, then you will be on the right lane. That's it. And then see how difficult it is. Okay, and you use the test light to bring this one in. There, it's in. You see, make sure it's hooking nicely in there. The last one, let's put it in. Let's put it in. That's the last one. Okay, this one. I hear last ones are stubborn. Seemingly this one too. It's the last one. Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's try and bring it out. Let's try and bring it out from here. Let's see. Let's try and bring it out. Let's see. You see, it's in. Now, let's put it back. Let's put it back. You see, this is how it lines in there. You put it there. Make sure it's lining with the injectors. You see, you shift the injector. That it goes on the slot. Make sure it's on the slots. See, now it's on there. See, even the injectors, they just slide in, and that will be it. These are the O2 sensor plugs. These are the O2 sensor plugs. This one comes here. The shorter one goes to the first one right there. There. This one there. And it clips, but I can't clip this one because I need to put back these guys. Yeah, see, we shouldn't forget this one from the sensor over here. And we tie these two circles over here, and then the fuel rail is on. They're not number 10mm bolts. Yeah. There we go. Yes, and then they sit here. And there's this little plugs, this little clips, plastic clips, to hold the wires in place. So you just clip them there. There, they hold the plug. There's the other one. There, it holds the little plug so that it holds the wires in place, and that will be it. And let's remove this, the old separator breather. Remove this guy. Careful, don't break it. Then we put in the sucker over here. Let me see. Put in this guy over here. Then you press it in. It's in. Then you put back this guy in there. Careful not breaking it. So what we do now, we put back the fuel lines. Put back the fuel lines. Put back the fuel lines. It's not easy to see in there, but put them back in there. Yeah, the fuel lines are in. Make sure it's on the right one, but it is. We won't assemble to like finish and start the car. Then I can close up the covers. Yeah. And now I must do the idle valve. But I'll come back in a short while, guys. We'll be back in a short while.